One of the great houses of the island, not just the north, is the former home of the Christian family at Milntown, just outside Ramsey. In 1408 it was owned by Deemster Christian and was called Alterdale. In 1530, another Deemster, John Christian, who was his grandson, enlarged the house, and we are told planted extensive gardens and parkland, and some of the trees he planted still survive. After the parliamentary forces won the English Civil War, William Christian, William Doane, negotiated with the new rulers, and depending on your point of view, betrayed the island or managed to safeguard its rights by coming to a deal. Whatever the true case, when the Royalists returned under Charles II, he was tried for treason and shot either on or near to Hango Hill in Castletown. He spent his boyhood years at Milntown, and it was in the great house's library that his trial for treason took place. In 1776, the John Christian of that time erected the battlements that surround the roof of the house and are such a feature of the building today. In the living room are mahogany doors, which are said to have come from a Spanish galleon, part of the armada that was wrecked on the Manx coast as it tried to return to Spain after it was destroyed by Elizabeth I's English fleet. Milntown stayed in the ownership of the Christian family until the early 1900s. It became a girls' school at one stage. Today, it's open to the public, who are free to stroll the gardens and grounds and admire the grand rooms, or relax in the restaurant, all the while taking in the history attached not just to this mansion, but to the Christian family themselves, one of the most important and historic of Manx families.